Where's the bird, boy? Where is it? The bird. Ooh, so big the eyes. Look at the eyes, how big. So big. We're gonna remove his bowl today. Look, he's scared. So the doctor will go here. Tapos she will perform the surgery here para we don't need to bring Moody boy out. It's more safe. It's like he knows the boy. Why? Why are you scared? Matutulin na si boy. You see, he's like a bit scared. It's like he knows. But this is for your own health. Because health is wealth. Right, my boy? This is for you. He fasted 8 hours before the surgery. 8 hours fasting. Look how hairy he is. They will cut it later. Here they will shave, I think. So hairy, my boy. Hairy boy. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay, boy. Now the boy will have his, new threading cream done today. تعرف شو بيعملوا له؟ بيعملوا له عملية. هاي العملية ضرورية لإله. مثل كيف الولد بيعملوا له عملية خصم. مو خصم. ايه.
عدم إنجاب يعني.
ايه. بس هاي مهمة بتطولهم من حياتهم وبتحسنهم من. So this is the operating room. You see. Needs to be in close space. شايفه مودي؟ هلا شوي شوي بينعس. حطوا له المخدر لأنه. He's sleeping. So fast, maybe 4 minutes. Oh, not yet. Oh, naughty boy. Pretending, huh? عم بيمثل إنه نايم. عمل حاله زعلان.
Got a lot bigger, no?
شايف ما عاد تتحرك. عمل حاله.
ما عمل حاله. البنج عم يأثر فيه.
بعرف أصداء أبي.
This one is just we're gonna give you lidocaine
For the pain.
for the pain, less
Okay.
pain.
So this special operation for the boy, Moody boy. Look at this heart shape, heart of the boy. شايف شكله? See, Baba is seeing this. He's checking it out.
For kilo lang pa.
شايف؟ بدك بيض؟
Some antibiotic and pain meds.
So is he sleeping now?
Yeah, he's still sleeping.
Very
He's still
good
very
taste.
groggy.
But his eyes are open. Why?
Yeah. He's just sedated. He's just sedated.
How long will he take to wake up?
Maybe around 4 to 6 hours. 4 to 6
hours.
hours. So it's gonna be very groggy. He might try to run and try to stand up and fall.
خليهم بروحوا يبدوا يضل
Sabki ko na lang.
ما فيني اكل لبكره
Sabki ko na
مع انه
lang.
مصومين 8 ساعات.
I'm gonna give antibiotic and pain.
Masinta ko lang.
هاي نضل دواء التهاب.
If just in case there's bleeding, sabi ko kayo sir, try to put na lang like a light compress on the wound.
What are you doing? You're putting your tongue out para to say you're strong?
شوي.
Ooh, cute tongue. Need to put him down so that he doesn't fall.
Might try to jump later.
Yeah. That's his favorite position. Like a frog, he likes to sit.
Mas-suffocate ka.
Hindi sa baba lang.
Nila
Sa...
yung ulo.
Just make sure that the face, the airway is open.
So he
Don't
was
put anything on the head.
okay, but this is okay. This position.
Yeah, that position is okay. And then some cats would also have salivation. It depends from one cat to another. Sometimes they would have excessive salivation.
Yeah.
And then sometimes they would try to crawl around.
So Moody boy just woke up. So I decided to bring him, put him with the boys, with his brothers, so that he will not panic and he will not be scared. Look at him. This is me. I'm your dad. You forgot me? Let's take you to your brothers. كيف يحرك راسه يمين وشمال.
ما تعرف جوز عم يتألم كمان.
فيه بس ألم خفيف لأنه عطوه مسكن. Look at my boy. You see my boy?
حطوا فرجيه هون.
حطه بالأرض.
لك
Okay, let's put him.
حطوا بالأرض خليه يجلس حاله يشوفهم.
Okay, come here, boy. Here. Ah. This is your room, boy.
إيه.
This is your room. شايف من قبل كان بحد بحد.
إيه طبعا. تضل استعدادي.
What? Here, my boy. Yeah. Oh, look at his brother. شايف ملكي. Here. Relax, my boy. Relax. So he's still recovering, but now he kind of calmed down because we brought him in my room so that, you know, he calmed down, he doesn't panic, and he's with his brothers. He's still disoriented, but I think in 2-3 hours he's gonna be back to normal. So he's kind of panicking. That's why I put him in this box because I don't have a cage, so I just put him in here. Oh, my boy is hungry because of the fasting. You see? But he cannot eat so much. I'm only giving him treats for now. It's funny because it's like he's still having that anesthesia, but he's still licking it. You see? Oh, churro is life. You will be better, my boy. Just relax. Look at the dodo boy, he wants some. Oh, the boy is awake now. You see? First day. He's chill and relaxed. So later we're gonna put him some medicine, ointment. So I'll put him antibiotic cream in here, on his wound, on his ball. Where's your ball? Oh, kawawa my boy. If he will not lick it, I will not put him the cone. Let's observe him. But boy! Oh, he wants to drink some water. Oh, good boy. At least you don't lick. My boy, he has like kind of wounds. So when I asked the doctor, she said, try to apply him the ointment. Oh, what my boy? Why are you here? Ah, boy? Why are you here? What? What do you want? Let's see, Moody boy, why is he here? Look at him, he's so kawawa, sitting beside the microwave. I got you food. Come, I got you food. So I got him recovery diet. You see him? Then I think he's hungry. I feel him. Let's see. It's not for you. It's for Moody boy because he's sick. Here. Yeah. Come. Here, boy. Look at the boy. He's eating now. He did eat.
سائل الحسلس.
ايه مشان هيك جبت له هاي.
ما هاي
للناس.
هاي اللحس. كيف بده كان يشبع زمان.
لا هاي وقت بيعملوا عملية بيجيبوا لنا هذول.
هذوليك ما راح الطعميون.
لا مو من. Oh, he's waiting for his turn. They are in the line. You have different food. I bought you different food, not this one. This one for Moody boy. Boy. Good boy. Good boy, eater. Eat more, finish it. Come. Come. Up. Jump. Feeling sick, boy, yeah? Are you feeling sick? It's like a vacuum. بينظفوا منيح للصحن هذا، ما بخلي شيء ورا. He fell asleep so kawawa, my boy. Kawawa boy. Feeling sleepy. Come sleep here beside me.